Hello, dreary, drizzly, rainy day, but we're gonna take out this radiator and fan. I have a Mishimoto we're gonna throw in. A little bit time consuming, a little bit messy, not rocket science, not too difficult, but tag along. So that wasn't super hard. I drain it so it doesn't splash everywhere. Learned that lesson after the first time I threw coolant out of all the hoses everywhere. Yeah, that's about it. Take the rubber bushings off the bottom. I don't know if I'm gonna steal those hose clamps or go buy some nicer ones or use some cheap ones I have, but throw the new one back in, plug it in, bolt everything back up. Holy shit, did I get distracted. I could not, for the life of me, get this fucking hose onto the top. You see, I even split it. You can see factory hose, look how much it widens up. Doesn't widen up on that, so whatever. Black hose on the top, blue hose on the bottom. That was a pain in the ass to get on the radiator, but I got it to fit. I think these inlets are just slightly smaller than these, but she's back in. This is bolted in with one bolt, but it's there. I'm gonna zip tie this out of the way somehow and then fill the radiator up and get it going. All right, let's start it up, see what happens. Old green's coming up. I try to do this until I hear the fans kick on. It's cold out. I don't know if that'll work. When I initially got this car, the temp gauge in the car was stuck just under halfway. I unplugged the temperature sensor, looked at it, ordered a new one, plugged it back in. Haven't put the new one in yet, but it still works. So right now it's reading cold. we'll see if we can wait long enough to get these fans to kick on, bleed that out a little bit, and go from there. All right, we're getting the temp to slowly creep up, so hopefully it'll warm up. These fans will kick on. I can feel better about myself and my life and this stupid little car. So I know the fan was making a horrible screeching noise before, and I don't think the fan was kicking on. And as stupid as I drive this car, overheating worried me, especially if the fan's not kicking on, coolant's not flowing, whatever. So we're gonna sit here till these fans kick on. It's gotta kick on soon, I would think. Come on, baby. Nothing? Nothing? What's the temp at? Creeping up to half. Let's rev her a little bit. Nothing? We're bubbling. So there's coolant moving. Oh, it just came on, turned back off. But fan turned on, fan turned off. That's gonna work, thank God. I always get worried, but yeah, it kicked on, kicked back off. Which also leads me to believe this is a very efficient radiator, more efficient than the factory one, since it takes so long to kick on in the first place. But happy. See if I can get the kick on again. I'll film the outro, it'll probably kick on while I'm doing it. So, buy a Honda, buy a 90s Honda, work on it in your driveway, get dirty, get mad, smile when you rip that motherfucker around your neighborhood, around the highway, whatever. They're hilarious, they're awesome. Everybody should have one or two. I gotta clean up this mess, put all these tools away, maybe go get some gas. Fan kick on? Nope. Regardless, the fan works. Easy to install radiator. You don't have to spend Mishimoto money. I just like them. I've done a couple of them now. They work for me. They don't have to work for you. You can get an eBay one. This looks cool. This looks good. Have a good one. I missed it again. God. Terrible.